it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Ann of Greeley, Colorado. I've been a longtime customer of my insurance company. I've never been late on a payment or missed a payment or filed a claim. I recently received a letter saying that the inspector would be coming by to do a visual inspection of our house for renewal of our policy. The house was very clearly going under some major renovation, including a replacement of siding, windows, and upcoming replacement of the roof. The roof had 2 broken shingles which came off during a recent windstorm. There was also a piece of soffit which had fallen. Insurance company sent a letter indicating that they would not be renewing the policy based on these items. This is not the first time that the insurance company has targeted good clients. So, I don't know, I think you could, this is a weird one too, right? So, I think you could document that, hey, we're in the middle of reconstruction. We are actually not because it was damaged or whatever the situation is, I don't know specifically, but what I would do is say, hey, look, none of this was damaged due to a storm, or we're not asking you to fix it due to a storm. We're just replacing it because we want to upgrade our house, just like all the neighbors around here, all the houses that are being upgraded, and we want our house to be nice. Why are you canceling our insurance, right? The other thing too that I want you to understand, which is actually some good news, is there are hundreds, literally hundreds of insurance companies, depending on where you live, right, that want your business, that will probably give you as good or better coverage for a similar price. So is it worth the fight? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe you look into that. And as I always say, every 2 years, I recommend any homeowner, commercial property owner, any property owner overall, if you have the building insured, every 2 years, you want to talk to your agent or your insurance broker and have them look at the policy and make sure you're getting similar coverage, but at least look around, okay, and see, can I get the same policies or similar coverage that will cover my needs at this point versus the policy that I have, and are they pretty close to the same price, things like that. And as you know, I'm a big proponent of don't shop on price, shop on necessity and coverage, and then price. Because if you have a cheap policy that doesn't cover you that you need, what's the point? And then I always say, cheap insurance is cheap until you need to get a claim paid for. Okay? So do you want to pay a little bit more for a company that you can Google and do your own research and see that they actually pay claims? Or do you want to go with the cut rate insurance company with a premium that is much lower and a policy that might not give you the coverage you want? I know the answer for me, okay? I would pay more for the coverage because you might pay $200 more a year, but if something happens, there's a $20,000 price gap. Is it worth paying the $200 a year more for somebody to actually pay that difference? Or if it's $50,000 difference or $100,000 difference or $5,000 difference? The answer for me is yes. Mathematically speaking, the answer is yes. So if you have a claim that the insurance company is not paying you fairly on, and you know it, and they're playing some shenanigans, and you know that that's not okay, contact us. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.